In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Heartopia not letting you log in. So the first thing I did myself is that I closed the Heartopia app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone here, as you can see. Then I just scrolled down, I clicked on general and I clicked on storage right here. So then I just waited for all of this right here to completely load. You can see it's still loading right here. So now when it's done, just click on search up top, search for Heartopia here and click on the Heartopia game. Now click on Offload app and once again in here click on Offload app. Now this might take a while unfortunately because this is a quite big game here as you can see, but we need to now wait for it to offload the app. So when it's done, you're going to see in here it says like reinstall app, which it does for me now. It's actually quicker than I thought. So wait for it to now reinstall. You can see if I go back, you can see the app is now updating to its latest version. So try this, and when it's completely updated, you can now go back into the Heartopia app and check once again, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.